Got a leaker at a Sharkbite. Let's shut this water back off. Okay. Did this Sharkbite fail or was it installed wrong? I'm gonna guess, since they have the Sharkbite going over this sticker, that it was just installed wrong to begin with. So I'm gonna dry this off. And I just wanna, just testing this to see if it was installed wrong. I'm gonna draw a line all the way around to where it was pushed. It's not really sticking. Get this situated. All right, go ahead. Not too hard. Yeah, I don't want to pull too much. Yes. Got it.
Nice. Hell yeah. That's
So,
it?
So a couple mistakes they made. They went right over the sticker, just like I showed you at the beginning of the video. Here's my mark that I made, right about here. It's wet, so this is not sticking. And where that mark needed to be, where that needed to slip on, is right here. This is where it needed to slip to. Now that's a good ½ inch off. That combined with going over the sticker is why the Sharkbite leaked. They also made another mistake. I mean, it's not gonna cause it to leak, but you're supposed to rip this thing out. But I'm gonna take this Sharkbite all the way off because I doubt that they got this one on right either. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to really clean these pipes up with some emery cloth. So I've got that pretty clean now. And this is not deburred. This side actually is, which surprises me, but if these are not, if you cut and you don't deburr, it can create turbulence, which can cause leaks. So I'm just gonna deburr this real quick. I know needle nose is not the right tool, but they work. Here's our Sharkbite. This is actually a deburring tool too, and depth gauge. And if you're not using one of these, I don't know how you know if you're sliding it on far enough or not. I think you're probably just guessing if you're not using a depth tool of some sort. I'm gonna mark my depth. And I'm going to do the same with the other side. Wrong way. And I remember this mark here, so that old one. That other side of that Sharkbite wasn't on all the way either. I mean, I can see this, but I want you guys to see it too, so make that a little more dark. We will not be reusing the old Sharkbite because it's compromised. I'm gonna rip these things out. Not needed for copper. May even cause problems. Okay. There's my target slip, all the way on. Here's my target slip on this side. All the way on. Now, can turn the water back on. And test for leaks. It's not gonna be any though, because the Sharkbite was installed properly. All right. All the way on. Let's go check out the repair. Perfect. Now we can start heating up this storage area. I don't really see Sharkbites fail ever. I see them installed wrong all the time. They're not a temporary fix. They have a 25 year warranty on them. But if you're gonna use them, get some kind of depth tool to where you can make sure that you're slipping them on the correct amount as stated by the manufacturer. I'll leave a link in the description to this tool if you want to get it. You should if you're using Sharkbites a lot. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave. See you on the next fix.